Kieran here from Desmond Motors in Dromore Road, Omagh. Today I'm going to show you a 2018 1.5 TDCi ST Line X in black metallic paint. This car has loads of spec. 18-inch alloy wheels, privacy glass, red brake calipers, full body kit as standard. Inside, the interior is finished with red stitching. It has leather steering wheel, sat nav, USB connection. It also comes standard with Bluetooth, electric windows all round and electric mirrors. It also has ST scuff plates. As you can see, the car is as new inside. This car has park sensors as standard, as well as a rear boot spoiler. As you can see, this car is in as new condition with only 7,000 miles on the clock. It could be yours for 16,198. And remember, we have competitive finance rates to suit everybody, and we can deliver this vehicle to anywhere in Ireland free of charge, and we'll take the hassle out of the VRT process for the customer. If you have any questions or queries, contact myself on 028 82 888 888. Thanks.